person bought a brand new washing machine and, you know, it got delivered, got taken up the stairs, installed, and then they kind of noticed the dents and were a little bummed out about it. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Dave's Garage. We're actually going to be fixing an appliance today. So this customer bought a brand new washing machine and it's got a couple of dents in the front of it. Now, I've never fixed a washing machine before, but I have fixed a lot of dents. So today I'm going to attempt to fix these dents in this washing machine for this lovely customer. Stay tuned. This was purchased new at Home Depot, and upon delivery there was a few dents that were in the machine. So here's the culprit. We have a nice, beautiful Samsung washing machine. It's got like a black stainless front, but it's got a couple dents in it. It actually has two dents. There's one here, and there's a crease that runs through the center of this as well. It's a couple inches long. Now, the problem with fixing something like this, as opposed to doing paintless dent removal on a vehicle, is there's no way I can get behind this metal. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm actually gonna have to repair this from the outside. We're gonna glue these little pucks onto the dents, and then we're gonna try to pull these dents out from the outside. This metal is very thin. It's not like an automotive car where, you know, you can play with it. This is like very, very paper thin, which is probably why I dented so easy. So we're gonna give our best Dave's Garage here try at fixing these dents. So let's see how we go. This process is called glue pulling. There's special tabs that can be glued to the outside of metal and then using a mini lifter pulled up to relieve the pressure on the dent to repair it from the outside. So we did our first round of pulls, just kind of testing the waters, seeing how the metal reacts. A lot of it did pull out. There's still a little dent down here at the bottom of the crease. This dent up here still needs a little work, and this one here is just a little shallow. So anytime you glue pull, the metal kind of gets warped. So now I need to take down a knockdown and kind of go through here, hammer down some of the high spots it made, and try to tighten up some of this metal. So, but it looks pretty good, and I think we're gonna get all these dents out. Once finished with the glue pulling, the metal is often high in places that it shouldn't be. So I'm taking a knockdown with a nylon tip and hammering down all those high spots to shrink the metal and to make it flat. And this process is repeated over and over again, the glue pulling and the blending down of the metal. So the couple of dents in the crease on this washing machine turned out fantastic. And I was wrong. It doesn't happen very often, but it happened in this scenario. This metal is actually pretty thick. So when I was pulling on it, I kind of pulled lightly the first couple times so I didn't want to over pull, but it actually proved to be for naught because I had to pull really hard, and when I was hammering down the metal to blend it out, I had to hammer quite hard to get it back in shape. Anyways, there's a few scratches on here, so now we're gonna buff this customer's washing machine. Using a battery-powered Milwaukee polisher, I'm just shining up the finish. It had a couple scratches in it from whatever dented the metal. So thanks for watching. We're all done with the washing machine dents and creases. This person bought a brand new washing machine and you know, it got delivered, got taken up the stairs, installed, and then they kind of noticed the dents and were a little bummed out about it. A very important thing. So you may be thinking to yourself, hey, I got a washing machine that's dented, or maybe a refrigerator, or a dishwasher, or a stove. So if you're thinking about calling me, don't, because I usually just work on cars. This was actually my washing machine. So I just wanted to show you guys how, with just a little ingenuity, you can fix almost anything in life for that matter. So the dents on this washing machine could be used as a metaphor for life. So nothing's too bad to get upset about. It can always be fixed. Anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. If you do have a hail damaged car, please give Indigo Hail Repair a call. I'm one of the lead technicians there. And if I can do this on a washing machine, imagine what I can do for your car. Thanks for watching, everybody. You have a great day.